Hi everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Today we're going to be baking a Yule Log. My name is Amy and you're watching Live Your FulList. So I've never made a Yule log before, but yesterday I assisted in making one. This is how that one turned out. So today I'm gonna be making the Yule log and we're gonna do a white chocolate raspberry with maple cream. This is gonna be pretty good, hopefully. So we're gonna grab a saucepan. Our other pans are non-stick and don't have a rubber whisk. So we're using this pan. I'm gonna grab a whisk and then we're going to read the recipe, which is step one, obviously, is to find a recipe that you like. All right, so in a saucepan, off the heat, combine cornstarch, 2 tablespoons flour. Combine. Then add the maple syrup. One cup of the cream. Half the cream, okay. And the eggs. Whisk until smooth. Bring to a boil while stirring and scraping the bottom and sides of the saucepan. Twenty-seven, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so now this goes into the fridge for 3 hours. Okay, we have the oven preheating at 375. So now we're gonna do the cake mixture. So even though it had some cracks on the roll, we managed to, you know, make it still look a little presentable. Thanks to frosting. And voila, we have a Yule log. Thanks for joining us today on Live Your Full List as I crossed off number 209 from my list, Make a Yule Log. Hope we'll see you next time. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Live Your Full List so we can see what you're crossing off of your full lists. Bye!